Hello, let's make a logo for your imaginary company. You are going to start out on Adobe Spark right on the homepage like usual. Remember, you need to sign in using your school account, just your regular Gmail account. And then once you're in, you are going to click this blue plus sign in the corner right at the top. That's going to start a new project. And instead of using a template like we did before, we're going to actually click on Custom Size Graphic. It's going to help us just kind of start from scratch so you can make it exactly how you want it to look. So click Custom Size Graphic and then wait for it to load. You can go to Popular and then Square. That's just going to keep it nice and simple. And then Next. And it will load a blank square for you to make your logo in. Even if your logo is not going to be exactly square, it's just nice to have a blank plain canvas here. So remember, your logo should have a word or the name of your company or your company's initials and some kind of image or icon that represents your company. So I'm going to start with the words. I'm going to go over to the side and click text right over here. And then you can click add your text and type whatever you want. So for this example, I'm going to make a flower store. So I'm going to call it Miss McFadden's Flower Store. I'm just going to do initials for my logo. So just MM for Miss McFadden. If you want to type out your whole company name, you can, or you can shorten it because sometimes logos have a smaller version or just the initials. So I'm going to click done, and those letters will pop up on my screen. Now I can move them around. I can make them smaller or bigger by dragging the corner. I can change the color by clicking right here under text color. And I can change the font right here. This is the name of the font. So if you click on it, you can scroll through and choose one that you like. So you can try them out, see what you like until you find a good one. And you can always change it later. So I'll leave it with this for now. Now I have my letters, and I'm also going to add an icon. So if I go over to the side, under text, it says icon. And I can search anything I want. So because I'm making a flower store, I'm going to search flower. And they have hundreds and hundreds of different icons you can choose from. So if you keep scrolling, they will keep loading. There's a whole bunch. So I'm just going to scroll through and find one that I like. You can always replace it, try out different things. I'm going to choose this one right here. Click it and it will appear. Again, the same thing as the words. Now I can change the color. So I don't really like orange. I think I want to go for more of like a green because I like it's kind of be a plant store. So maybe I'll slide this over to green, and I can slide this around and change the color to what I want. That looks like a nice green. So now I have my words and a picture. I can even add more. So you can combine more than one icon. I'm thinking this looks a little plain. I think I might want to put my flower inside of a shape. And you can find really simple shapes on here too. So let's say I want to put it in a square. I can search square. And there's a bunch of different options. Let's go with this one. I'm going to make it bigger. And maybe that was too big. Let's see. And I'm going to put my flower inside. And I'm going to make the square a different color too. Let's go with black again. We're keeping it simple today. Make it a little smaller. So as you can see, I'm just kind of playing around. I'm making it look how I want it to look. You can layer as many different icons or symbols as you want, as many different images as you want. Only use the icons though, because those are going to keep it really simple and make it really look like a logo. So you can play around with this. As you can see, whatever you search, there's a lot of different options. And then one more trick, if I want something to be on top of something else, if I want this flower to be on top, I can change the order of the images. So I can click right here to layer order. And if I click up, it will now be on top. So that's really good if you want to layer more than one symbol on top of each other. When you are happy with your logo, you're going to click download. Make sure it's on PNG and start download. This is really important. You need to click transparent so that when you download it, it will not have a background and you can put it on top of any background you want. So click transparent, it will download to your computer, and then from there, you can just upload it right into Google Classroom and you are done.